Have you got a Rubik's Cube out of curiosity but gave up halfway solving it? Or you got as a gift but had no clue what to do with it? I have got you covered. My name is Ashmit and today I am going to share an easy method of solving a 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. It will be fun and rewarding. So get your hands on a Rubik's Cube lying around unsolved for ages. And trust me, after watching this video, the Rubik's Cube will become a joy rather than a mystery. Let's start with the basics. There are 6 faces of a Rubik's Cube: orange, yellow, red, white, blue, green. This is the centerpiece, and these are the corners, and these are the edges. Well, now we know what the different pieces are called. Let's learn 2 simple algorithms we will be using to solve the Rubik's Cube. These are the only things you need to know. Now, our first algorithm is R, U, R prime and U prime. R means the right layer, U means the upper layer, and R prime is just opposite of R and U prime is just opposite of U. So R, rotate the right layer once, U, rotate the upper layer once, R prime opposite of R and U prime opposite of U. I am going to show you once again. We have to practice this algorithm 2 or 3 more times. Let's move on to our second algorithm, that is L, U, L prime and U prime. L means the left layer, U means the upper layer, L prime means the opposite of L and U prime means the opposite of U. So let's start. L, U, L prime and U prime. I'm going to show it to you once again. Now that we have practiced the algorithm, let's start. Step 1 is to create a white cross with yellow centerpiece. For step 1, take the face with the yellow centerpiece facing upwards. Since the opposite of yellow face is white, we will try to make the edge of the yellow face white by turning the left, right, up, down sides. So I have a trick. If the white edge piece is in right side, just do U and R. And then again I have got this white piece to the right. I will be just doing U and R. And again I have got this to the right. We will be doing U and R. So if we have got this white piece to the bottom, we will be just moving this side to the right. So this face has come to our right side and just we have to repeat the same method, U and R. Now we have created the white cross with the yellow centerpiece. Step 2 is to create a white cross. As you can see, all the edge pieces have one white color and other color is different. Match the other color of the edge piece with the centerpiece color on each face. Once we have matched, rotate the face 180 degrees. Here I have seen it is green. We will be matching this color with its green centerpiece. After we have matched this, we have to just rotate this face 180 degrees. Now we have to repeat with all the faces. Here I have matched red, red, then we will be rotating 180 degrees. Here it is orange, orange, rotating 180 degrees. Blue, blue, rotate it 180 degrees. Our white cross is solved. Step 3 is to complete the white face and the third layer. Here we will look for a corner piece with a white side. Take the corner piece between the 2 color centers. Here it is blue and red. I will take this corner piece between the blue and red centerpiece. So I will be rotating the first layer. So after this, we will be doing our first algorithm, that is R, U, R prime and U prime. Now our white face have come to the bottom and the corresponding colors are in the correct position. Now our next corner piece here it is green and red. We will be rotating the first layer and just take this corner to its center pieces, between its center pieces. So we will be doing this algorithm, that is R, U, R prime and U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime and U prime. Like this, we have to repeat all the corners. At the end of it, you will get a complete white face and a complete first layer. Step 4 is to complete the second layer. Now we will find an edge piece with no yellow face in the first layer. Match the color of the edge piece with the center piece. I will be matching this. If we want the edge piece on the left, we will move the first layer to the right. If we want the edge piece to be on the left, we will do the left algorithm once. That is L, U, L prime and U prime. Now we will rotate the cube such that the face with the other centerpiece is towards us. Now we will be doing the right algorithm, that is R, U, R prime and U prime. Now you can see this edge piece have come here. Now we're moving to our next edge, that is green and red. We'll be matching this to the green center piece. So I want this edge to the left. I will be moving the layer to the right. I will be doing then L, U, L prime and U prime. Rotate the cube, then R, U, R prime and U prime. Now our other edge piece, here it is orange and blue. So I will be matching with it. If I want this edge piece to the right, I will be rotating the first layer to the left. So I will be doing R, U, R prime, U prime, rotate the cube, L, U, L prime and U prime. So here we have completed the second layer. Step 5. Complete the yellow cross. In this yellow cross, there are 3 cases. Case 1 is the angle. A right angle formed on the yellow face. Hold in such a way that the right angle is inverted like this. Rotate the 2 layers of the right angle and use our algorithm. So I will be rotating the 2 layers towards the right and R, U, R prime and U prime. Now I am again rotating the 2 layers to the left. Our yellow cross is completed. Case 2 is the dot. Case 3 is the line. If we have a yellow line, hold in such a way that the line is horizontal. Rotate the front layer right side. Now we have to do the algorithm, that is R, U, R prime and U prime. Now again we have to rotate the right layer towards the left. Our yellow cross is completed. Step 6. To match the corner pieces with the center colors, except the yellow face. Case 1. Line. 2 corners in the correct position are adjacent to each other. Select a corner piece and rotate it such a way that the corner piece is between the two color faces. So here it is green and orange. So it is between the green and orange, and here it is green and red, and here it is not matching only, and here it is also not matching. So here in this case 1, it is a line that is not matching. Hold the cube where the two incorrect corner sides are in the right hand. So we have to do R algorithm 3 times and rotate the cube, and L algorithm 3 times. So start doing it. R U R prime U prime 1, R U R prime U prime 2, R U R prime U prime 3. We will be rotating the cube like this. Now L U L prime U prime 1, L U L prime U prime 2, L U L prime U prime 3. Now we have to again adjust the corners. So after doing this, all the corners are in the correct places. Case 2 is the diagonal, when two corners pieces are in the cross position. Step 7 to complete the yellow face. After adjusting all the corners, turn the cube upside down with the white face upwards. The corner which need to be turned should be at the right end. So we have to do the right algorithm, that is R U R prime U prime, and we have to repeat this algorithm till the yellow comes to the bottom. So R U R prime U prime. So here it is in the bottom, and the two colors are in the corresponding sides. Now we don't have to rotate the cube, we have to rotate the last layer. Okay, now here we have to just rotate it once. Now R U R prime U prime, R U R prime U prime. Now we have to repeat this with all the corners. Now here it is R U R prime U prime, R U R prime and U prime. Now our yellow face is completed, and the last step, step 8, is to complete the entire cube. There are two cases in this. Case 1, only one face is complete, and in case 2, no face is complete. Here in this case, only one side is solved. Hold the cube in such a way that the completed face is facing you. Now we have to do R algorithm once, L algorithm once, R algorithm 5 times, and L algorithm 5 times. So let's begin. R U R prime U prime, L U L prime U prime. Now we have to repeat 5 times the R algorithm. Now our cube is completed. Now in case 2, we have no face completed. As you can see, no face is complete. Now hold the cube with any face facing you. Let's take the blue face. Now we have to do R algorithm once, L algorithm once, R algorithm 5 times, L algorithm 5 times. So let's start. R U R prime U prime, L U L prime U prime. Now L U L prime U prime 5 times. U. So after doing this, we will be getting the case 1. So we have to just repeat the same steps. I hope you enjoyed this video and exercised your brain. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Also, don't forget to check out my blog on how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube within 2 minutes. This is Ashmit signing off. Bye.
Yay!